Hey guys, I am Badidi and welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you loved my last video which was about the Shein alternatives, and if you're somebody who haven't watched it yet, do give it a watch and let me know in the comment section if that video really helped you in some way or the other. I'm linking it to the I button. Do give it a watch. Also, I'm back with a new video which will be about the work from home outfit ideas. Given the current pandemic situation, we all are working from home now for months, and which is why this idea popped out in my head that okay, I should make a video about this one. Also, we are really lucky that we are able to work from home, because there are some people who still have to go out and be on the front end to work for us, to support us in some way or the other, in order to help us with the essential commodities and protect us, constantly working day and night while they are at high risk, and we all are really lucky to be safe inside at our home, and we are able to work right from our home. So yes, be thankful that we are really safe, and cherish little things, because this is what matters, I guess. So without wasting much time, I would like to highlight about why it is important to get dressed up while working at home. Because a lot of people say that okay, no, why would somebody get dressed up at home and all that, but I would like to highlight and tell you about my experience of getting dressed up, and when I also had this same thought before, but yes, now I have a very different thought, and also I would like to share that with you. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Coming to why it is important to get dressed up while you're working at home, the first thing which I felt in my experience is that when the entire quarantine period started, initially it was okay. I was able to work, I was able to complete my targets on time, but then there came a point where I suddenly lost confidence, and I started lacking motivation to do my work and complete my targets and everything. And there was a sense of frustration that okay, we are all stuck at home and not able to do anything else. So there was some sort of monotonous environment in my head, because of which I was not able to proceed further with a lot more productive mindset. So the next day what I did was I decided to get dressed up, and I picked out my favorite outfit, applied my favorite lip color, and brushed my hair, and felt really good about myself. And to my surprise, that was the super productive day in my entire quarantine period. And you won't believe, but it was. I actually felt so much productive, and I was able to complete everything on time, and I was also feeling very very fresh and good about myself, because I started following my normal routine which I used to do before pandemic. So which is why I started doing that every single day in my quarantine period. Right now I get dressed up, I feel good about myself, I pick up outfits according to my level of productivity. The days when I have a lot to do, so I pick up outfits according to that, and the days when I want to feel very casual and happy, and it's like I choose outfits depending on the level of my mood and productivity. So without wasting much time, I would like you to get into the details. So the first outfit is getting dressed up in my kind of a vibe, wearing a palazzo and a shirt, which makes me feel at work and also gives me a very comfortable environment. And also layering up with a lot of accessories, because I love layering up accessories, and especially neck piece, I really love it, and that makes me feel really good, because of which I am all pumped up and energetic. Why palazzo and shirt? Because palazzo is not giving you a loungewear kind of a feel, and it is also not giving you being too hard on a formal wear or something like that. So it is a perfect fit for a fresh start towards the week. And also why shirt, because shirt is giving me proper work vibes, and also accessories, because that makes me feel really good about myself. And when I feel good about myself, I tend to do a lot of work, and yes, at the end I am able to do everything that I want to. The next outfit is a dress which is super cute and comfortable. This is a perfect pick for midweek vibes, when you are, almost adjusted to the week, and happy that half of the week has passed, and it's almost the weekend. The weekend is about to come and all that. So it is a perfect pick. Also because dresses are really comfortable at home and also quite breathable. And I would say in summers, dresses are actually the perfect option to wear it, and because it is so much comfortable and free, and you feel very much free when you wear dresses. So this is the perfect pick for myself, because it makes me feel really cute and playful, and also reminds me that I'm at work, because collared dresses are really smart and also gives you a little bit of formal work vibes. And so yeah, this could be the perfect choice for the midweek. The third outfit that I would choose would be shirt and pant on the days when I have a lot to do on my plate. It's because the shirt and pants doesn't allow you to lounge around the house and be lazy all the time, and because it is not that comfortable, so you tend to be very much active and you try to be productive. It is, I think it is the best choice when you have something important, something important, like you have an important meeting or you have a very tight schedule. You can go for a very light kind of shirt. The white shirt is the perfect fit, I would say. And also the pants would allow you to be more in work vibe, and will let you stay productive and very much efficient. And also, of course, layering jewelries and everything again depends on you and your mood. The next outfit is an effortless pick and makes me feel really pretty and comfortable all the time. A really pretty floral dress in an anarkali style, which makes you feel different, and it is perfect for the day when you tend to lose energy or you start feeling negative. So for me, it really works when I add on to something different from the rest of the days. So pretty dress which has an anarkali style also adds a desi touch, and I personally love wearing ethnic wear a lot, and which is why it is a perfect pick for me, because it makes me feel really different. It adds to a different mindset, and also it's a good change for the body, and which is why I think this could be the best pick on the days when you start feeling exhausted, and so you can pick up these kind of outfits to get you energized and also feel really good about yourself. The last one is really comfortable, super chic and cute, I would say. I often choose such outfits on days when I have a casual mindset, and especially it is mostly on the weekends, on the Fridays mostly, and also it can be on the days when I don't have much to do on my to-do list and I really want to enjoy and feel really good and happy and energetic. So it is a perfect fit for the days when you don't have much to do. And also the skirt is so pretty, so cute, such vibrant colors, I must say, and also it gives you a very different kind of vibe, because it is really different from the rest of the outfits that you are wearing in the entire week. So this can be the best change or a break, I could say, to rejuvenate yourself and also enjoy that day, because some days you need to be relaxed and take a break and enjoy yourself. So yeah, pretty much it's a good fit for that thing. That's it for the video, guys. I really hope that you liked my video, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite outfit pick for the entire week. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. If you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of styling stories over there. And yes, take care, guys. Stay healthy, stay fit. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.